Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you this F-150. I'll show you where the fuse is located. This one's XL F-150 EcoBoost, but you might have a different one. So this one's 2012. So to plug in your computer, like if you have one like this or similar, or to pass DQ, your OBD port location will be right under the steering wheel and right in here. This is what it looks like. And to get to your first fuse box location, it will be on the passenger side, right on that corner. When you get on the side, open the door. It's right in here. So there's your fuses, and that's the numbers. To take it out, you just have to press it, and that comes off. And there it is. And there's your fuse puller. I believe you can use either side. What you want to do is pick this number 5. Just like this. That's how you take it off. Same way you can put it back in. Make sure you press it all the way in so everything works. That's it. Install the fuse puller where it was. Just like that. Make sure it clicks. To install this one, line it up. And there you go. That's it for the first one. To get to your second one, it's gonna be under the hood. You have to open the latch. And your second one's gonna be right in here. To open this one up, you just there you go. And there's your fuses. And the numbers for the fuses are right in here. And there's some relays as well. To close it, just make sure it clicks. Also, I have more fuses. I'm not sure if yours can be closed or open. This might be, I'm not sure if this one's aftermarket or not. but I also have some right here. There's some here. If you do have it, maybe there's a cover on this one. If not, maybe it's just someone else installed it, but I also have it right here. Looks like it for this one. If you know if there's more, comment below. If you have any questions, you can also comment. I'll see if I can answer when I get a chance. If I can't, maybe someone else can. And I'll see you in the next one. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. That'll help me a bunch to post more content. Peace out.